Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Travel Queen Chikon Dotto and her life. I'm Chikon Dotto. Here I'm doing traveling videos as well as the product review and product haul, and today I'll be talking about MAC Studio Cult foundation and its application and review. And with this foundation today I create this look, no makeup look, and right now this is in trend, and like previous it will be my honest review. To know more about this product, stay tuned to my channel and keep supporting and keep loving me and my channel. Your support and love means a lot to me. Welcome to my life. I buy this MAC Studio Cult foundation from a MAC store near me, and they charge 3,600 for this particular product. And at Nykaa the price of this product is 3,300 for 40 ml of product, and I will provide the link in the description box below in case if you want to buy this product. There are more than 10 shades available in India, and I am in the shade of NC44, and if you are on my skin tone, then you can definitely buy this product, and if you buy this product then you will never regret of buying this product. And they have a range from NC40 to NC45 for the medium skin tone, but I will suggest if you are a new user then go to the MAC store and find the shades of your skin tone. And let's talk about the outer packaging of this product. It is in the plastic tube bottle, and it is very travel friendly and it's look very elegant, very classy, and the black cap on the top and with the MAC logo here. And now let's move on to the application of this foundation. Right now I have nothing on my face, as you all can see, and I just moisturize my face very well because I have a very dry skin, and I have a dark circle over here and here due to sleepless night. And let's see how the foundation work on this dark circle as well. And I am using MAC Strobe Cream Hydrant Luminance in the shade of Pink Light to prime my face. I am using this strobe cream as a primer today. I take a very little amount and just dab onto my face. Blend it. And it gives a natural glow to your face as well. See, my face is already glowing. Next I am using MAC Studio Cult foundation in the shade of NC44, and I am using it with this blender. See the texture of this foundation. It's not runny. I take a very little amount of the foundation and making dots in all over my face with the help of my finger, and I am blending the foundation with the help of the beauty blender very well. It's blended within few seconds, and you can use the makeup brush to blend this foundation as well. Here I am taking more foundation to see it is buildable foundation or not. The foundation is very much lightweight, and you cannot feel that you put a layer of foundation onto your face. This foundation is specially made for the dry skin people, and I am in love with this foundation, and this is my fab foundation till now, and I will buy it again once it finished. Today I am using this foundation as a concealer also. Let's see how it covers my dark circle as well. It covers dark circle, fine lines, every single thing. It's a magic product. To set the foundation, I just use a very little amount of this MAC Compact. I did a review of this MAC Compact as well, and I will provide the link of that video in my description box below. And here is the final look after using the blusher and the highlighter. And for blushing I used MAC Studio blush, and for highlighting I used MAC Stroke Cream. And if you are wondering what shades I am wearing today, it is Sugar Smudge Pinot Nude Mood 49. Yep, 49. This foundation will not mattify your skin, and it will give a natural dewy finish to your skin, and it will last up to 12 hours or more than that. I never use a foundation more than 12 hours, so I cannot say about that part. And it has a SPF 15, so you can use this foundation in the daytime also. It is a medium to full coverage foundation. If you want a medium coverage, then apply 1 layer of this foundation, and if you want a full coverage, then apply 2 layer, 3 layer according to your needs, because it is a buildable foundation. And I took a picture with flush and it did not flush back, as you all can see it here. MAC has different type of foundation for different skin type, for normal to dry skin, for normal to oily skin, for normal skin, for oily skin, for very dry skin. And I have a friend, her name is Momita Sarkar, and she is also a YouTuber, and her channel name is Bongs Good Life. There she did a review of MAC foundation for normal skin tone people, and I will provide the link in my description box below. Please do check that out too. And if you found this video helpful, then do give it a thumbs up, and do share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. Please do subscribe and press the bell notification so you will be notified every time when I upload a new video. And see you in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye, take care, have a great day.